like a different even, right?
Yeah.
All right, so we have a 2023 Acura Integra. We're gonna do the Eibach Pro Kit springs. Morris on this side already took out the strut, and on the other side, I stopped him before he took the other side out, but just so I can show you guys like what needs to be removed. We need to remove the end link, the brake line, the actual strut sensor, and the speed sensor. After that, it's pretty much kind of the same as the tension. We have to remove the lower ball joints right here, the 3/17 at the bottom, as you can see. And then after that, the main 17 that goes here, and all this should come right out. Morrison now. All right, so Morris, as you can see back here, already has the rear buckets out, and he's gonna take these springs out and put in the new Pro Kit. But yeah, I mean, for the most part, this whole process is fairly similar to the tension. What do you think, Morris? Yes or no?
Exactly the same.
Exactly the same? What about the 11 gen? SI?
Exactly the same.
Nothing's changed? Looks identical to you?
I'm just gonna keep it.
You're gonna keep it to yourself? Yeah, let's remove this side now, and then we will compress those springs and put the new springs on. Yeah, exactly. That's exactly how I felt. I was like, why is it so in?
I don't appreciate being filmed. Sorry.
Am I abusing your human rights? Alright, so Morris has both the new Eibach springs in, and he's lifting up the rear bucket to insert the 17 and the 12 that goes up there. And pretty much it. The rear is pretty much simple. I mean, it's like almost every 10 gen or 11 gen that you've probably seen. But here in the front, I've already have these top hats removed. I'm gonna switch over the new springs, and then I'm gonna put them back into the car, and we should be pretty much good to go. Alright, I got the stock spring removed. And now I'm going to cut the bump stop here. Since we are lowering the car, this little extra would be removed. And then I'm putting the new spring on. Cool, so we have this cut. Now I'm getting the Eibach spring. And easiest way to tell which way it goes is there's a little label right here, and it says FL, so it means front left. You got your front left strut. Insert here. You got this piece, which is going to be your dust boot. Insert there. Grab your top hat. You're going to insert the top hat back into the hat. Now we're gonna insert here. So now I've compressed the spring and inserted the top screw. I'm gonna lock it down for a little before we reinsert it, but that's basically it. That's how you put your spring onto the strut and reassemble the top. Morris down here finishing up the rear. He's just torquing down to spec the rear 17s, and as you can see, the Eibach spring is in the rear. So we're almost close to home. I'm gonna finish up that other strut, and then we're pretty much done. Okay. So this one's done. I'm gonna put this one here for Morris. This is gonna be front right, and obviously driver's left, passenger right, and that's what we're doing.
You have it out or not?
Have it?
You have it out or not?
Yeah, it's out right now. Oh, here, let me put this on first up here. Cool. Up. Up.
One.
Yeah. All right, so over to the passenger side now. Now let's get this shred in. Up. All right, cool. So we have the passenger side on now. So Morris is gonna end up finishing this side while I do the other side. But as you can see, we have both sides on already, and all right, guys. Well, we just finished doing the springs, and wow, what a difference! I thought it was gonna be not as good looking as this. So definitely we're gonna have to lower ours. But yeah, I wasn't expecting Eibach's drop to be this good, and you can still keep your stock strut, so that's a plus, right? But yeah, I'm just gonna go do a quick test drive before the customer takes it home. But yeah, yeah, I'm just kind of shocked how good it looks. And these are 19 by 8.5, 18 by 8.5. And what's the offset?
35.
Plus 35. Oh wow, so that's it's pretty good. 35 then.
Yeah, I was like,
Looks almost perfect.
yeah, maybe a little spacer in the back, but
Yeah, no, it looks good. I thought these were like 40s or something.
yeah, no,
35 is wow, it's actually pretty good, right? Yeah, so yeah, let me just go test drive this real quick and I'll be back. And then, yeah, what a difference. I just finished test driving the car. Everything is perfect. No clanks, no weird noises up driveways. So definitely recommend this kit. If you guys need an installation, hit us up on our website, on our email, or our Instagram. Instagram would probably be the easiest, but yeah, this is a crazy drop. And as you guys might not know, we just picked up our Acura Integra A-Spec manual. So yeah, I did put spacers on this. As you can see, it looks a lot better, but there is a huge gap on this. So I actually already ordered some custom coilovers for this car, and we are going to track it, so keep an eye out for that video. But yeah, as you can see, this is the Integra market is going to be huge. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one.